Hi, my name is Ian Castle. I'm a professional vocal coach and performer from Australia, and I'm here to help you become a better singer. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Today I'm going to share an exercise with you that will help you sustain your voice in the upper part of your range. So what does that mean? To sustain your voice basically means to sing longer without sacrificing tone quality and without getting vocally tired or strained. Your voice muscles need to be both flexible and strong to maintain a higher range. The exercise I'm going to share with you does just that, and it goes like this. Na. Your goals for this exercise are the following. Prepare each starting note with a silent, open throat breath. Make sure your jaw is in a relaxed drop position. As you ascend in the scale, resist the temptation to squeeze or push your voice. Now imagine the notes are on a horizontal plane. Moving your arm and hand and following the movement with your eyes will distract your brain from thinking high and low. Okay, so now it's your turn. I'm going to cover a decent amount of range as every voice is different. This is a conditioning exercise, so make sure you don't sing too high. When you get to the point where it is a little challenging to sustain the notes, that's where you should stop and wait for the exercise to return to a more comfortable pitch. Okay, let's begin. Starting with the low voices. Higher voices begin when you are ready. Make sure you are not pushing or forcing your voice. Well done. Okay, so that's the exercise. How did you go? Let me know in the comments section, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your singing buddies. I'm Ian Castle, and I'll be back very soon with another 5-minute singing lesson.